Good day to one and all. Today we are going to have a look at what is a production system and what are the types of various production system available. So production system means it is the framework within which all production related operations happen at the shop floor. It refers to the method, procedure and arrangements used to gather inputs, process those inputs and convert them into deliverable marketable outputs. So it doesn't follow a single pattern for this objective to be achieved. It depends on the variety of products produced, the quantity of output produced, and various other factors, types of machines used, etc. So the design of a production system depends on the type of enterprise based on the parameters just discussed. Basically, there are four types of production systems. This is classified based on two factors. One is production volume and another is production variety. So based on that, we have four types of production system. So continuous production, mass production, batch production and job shop production. So each one in detail we'll have a look at. So first we'll see what is job shop production. In job shop production we produce a large variety of products but in lower volumes. So for this purpose we use general purpose machines whose setup has to be changed according to the product that is being processed. So it requires a large inventory of materials, tools, and parts, and skilled operators to ensure that a large variety of products is produced to satisfy the customers. A detailed planning is essential to ensure that proper scheduling is being undertaken and the capacities are fully utilized in such type of setups. Next is batch production. As far as batch production is concerned, the job passes through various function departments in batches or lots. So the machinery and plant are again flexible using general purpose machines. So the setup needs to be changed based on the lot that is being processed. So because of that, lead time and cost are comparatively lower as compared to job order production. Next is mass production. This system produces a large volume of standard products using standard processes. So we use a large amount of special purpose machines dedicated for each project. The products are standardized in nature, so lower inventory is being maintained and the cycle time is also less as far as mass production is concerned. Production planning and control is easy as far as mass production is concerned, as there is no backtracking of material and material handling is completely automatic. Last type of production system that we are going to see is continuous production. It has a dedicated plant and equipment with zero flexibility. So it is completely automated computerized setup where there is no flexibility and the process is predetermined and the sequence of operations is being properly scheduled as a routine activity. So this is as far as continuous production is concerned. So as long as the variety is less, large volumes are being produced, we go for continuous productions. So these are the four types of production system depending on various factors like types of machines used, quantity produced, nature of the product variety, etc. We have this. So limited skills is required as far as continuous production is concerned, but highly skilled operators are required for job shop production. So these are the two extremes as far as production systems are concerned. Thank you.